Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Joe Court, and I'm excited to be presenting IMAGO relationship therapy to help couples erotically differentiate for the Modern Sex Therapy Institutes that are coming to Detroit, Michigan, and it's going to be both in Detroit live and live via online webinar. And basically, I'm going to be teaching therapists, educators, and counselors about IMAGO relationship therapy, what it is. It's based on a book called Getting the Love You Want, a guide for couples. And basically that couples are drawn to each other for two reasons. Unfinished business from childhood, so they're drawn to mothering and fathering caretakers unconsciously in a partner. And they're also drawn to partners that can express parts of themselves that they have buried or suppressed. And basically, what the IMAGO relationship therapy has is a set of communication tools. And these tools help couples differentiate. So as therapists, we're constantly helping our couples work through fighting around parenting, differentiating around money, differentiating around household skills, differentiating around religious beliefs. But we rarely work with couples and help them differentiate around eroticism, things that are sexually arousing and might be very different from the partner's arousal template. So we'll be addressing that, and I'll be teaching you in the 4 hours we'll be together how to do this, how to work with couples erotically when there are differences in the room. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all on January 18th from 9 to 1 in Detroit, Michigan. And if you can't make it, just come and watch us live via the internet through the webinar. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you.